Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this beautiful twisted ear warmer. It's very simple and easy to make. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you find time, please like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram as well. So for this project we are using a yarn from Loops and Thread brand. Color is gold. We'll give you in the description box, and we'll be using 4.5mm crochet hook. Starting, I'm doing chain 70. I'll give you a small tip here. This is an adult size, so whatever yarn you use or whatever crochet hooks that you may use, make sure that your length comes to 20 inches. So that is the adult size of a headband. And then once you are done with that, you will crochet 2 chains. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm crocheting extra 2 chains, and I will yarn over, insert my hook on the 4th chain from the hook. So what I'm doing, so roughly you will crochet up for about 20 inches, chains for about 20 inches, and extra 2 more chains, and then yarn over, insert your hook on the 4th chain from hook. This is the tip that you may follow if you are using a different types of yarn and hook. So for this is a size 4 yarn and 4.5mm crochet hooks. I've crocheted about 71 chains, and then extra 2 chains, and then yarn over. I'm inserting my hook to the 4th chain from the hook, and we'll be doing a half double crochet on the 3rd loop. So if you wonder what's the 3rd loop, gently turn your chain. You can see at the back, you can see a bump on every chain. So you're going to insert your hook on that chain, and you will be doing a half double crochet till the end of your chains. So you're going to work on the bump and not on the front or back loop of the chains, but we are going to work on the bump, that which is also called as 3rd loop. So we are going to work 1 half double crochet on each bumps or 3rd loops of our work around, and then for row 2 you will chain 2, turn, and then work 1 half double crochets on the 3rd loop again on each stitches around on till the end. So we are going to work 1 half double crochet on the 3rd loop till the end of your work. So if you turn your work, you can see a ridge is formed, which will give you a beautiful look. So we are going to work 1 half double crochets on each stitch on the 3rd loop till the end. Please continue working like that. We'll meet you at the end. So row 2 is complete. So we are going to work 1 half double crochet on the last chain, and then I will do a chain 2, turn my work. So for this row 3, we are going to work like how we do as usual. So we are going to work on both the loops and do 1 half double crochet on both the loops, like usually how we do our half double crochets. So we are going to work 1 half double crochets on each stitch till the end. So this is like how we usually work our half double crochet. This is how we are going to do this row. So continue working like that till the end. I'm almost up on the end of my work. So I'm continuing to row 4 for row 4 I'm doing a chain 3 and turning my work, and I will work like how I worked for row 2. So I'm going to work 1 half double crochet on the third loop of the previous row. So I'm going to do that for every single stitch till the end. So basically we are repeating row 2 for row 4. So keep working this way till the end. So for row 2 to row 9 we are basically going to repeat row 2 and 3 for 3 times. So that's how we are going to work. So for row 4 to row 9, repeat row 2 and 3 for 3 times. So we are going to repeat row 2 and 3 for 3 more times. So I've completed until my row 9 now, and for row 10 we are going to work row 2 one more time. So I've completed up to my row 10. This is our wrong side, and this where you can see the ridges is our right side. So what I'm going to do, I'll leave a long tail of yarn and cut my yarn, and I will be using a tapestry needle to attach my long tail of yarn. Just do a slip stitch on my last stitch, attach the needle to the yarn and hold your wrong sides like this, like how I'm showing, and then sew the ends like how I show to you. Sew them gently and tightly so that they don't come off, and then secure your yarn. Cut off any extra yarns that you may have. So now I've cut my yarns, extra yarns, and secured them. Just turn your work to the right side like this. You can see the twist on the place where we have sewed our ends. So you can see how it turned out so beautifully with the ridges in the front. It gives a very beautiful look. It's very easy to try with very basic and simple stitches. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. And please do not forget to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to the Yarn Bowl. Thanks for watching. Bye.